What's up, everybody? This is Dirk's project. His all-day project. That man's smiling. Look at the beautiful paint job. His dad and him got it going.
Yeah, sure.
This was scrap. This was, I don't know where this came from, but it's beautiful. The inside sprayed in liner. This didn't look like, they didn't have a floor. I mean, it was all wood, you know.
This is what we do while you're working.
Uh-huh. You see that? You still smell the paint on it.
Oh, God, you kidding me?
Look at that. You gotta remember what it looked like.
The old body's out back.
You forgot.
Oh, we gotta go.
Look at it like a pile of dog shit back in the
His neighbor did an excellent paint job on it.
Yeah, he did. You like it?
I love it. I love this.
Okay, where's the back? Where's the rest?
You got it on the side of the house.
Come on.
Come on, follow me. Walk this way. I'll show you what it used to look like. I'll go to your backyard, B. Alright. I'll show you before and after.
Oh, you gonna see the old body?
Yeah.
What's going on, DJ? Be safe, man.
Follow me, walk this way. Don't walk this way, but walk this way. This is the before picture. Pretty impressive, huh? Go slow, babe. I would have left it like that. That's a lot of bondo. Give me a sofa chair recliner, just throw it in there, B. But no, not D. D go crazy. Trust me, in 6 months he'll sell it. That's what he does. He does that all the time. Everybody's gonna make bids on it, trust me. Oh, I'm gonna start with $5, see where it works out from there.
Didn't John just say he's gonna have it in 6 months?
Yep.
Look at that, it matches the jet ski.
And this is the result. You know what I'm talking about? You're gonna put them on Facebook.
You forgot that sound.
Get ready for that when you come back. These guys got mad projects. Everything's blue now, blue, purple, and whatever. So, talk to you next time. His next project, anyway. See ya.